Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-5 Maxx, stock reference number 5234. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror has some scratches on the case, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, touchscreen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.